Hello everybody, it's me. We're playing some Sonic Dash Team Sonic Dash. Yeah. No, I don't. Oh, that thing to turn down. My God, thing. Ting. Obviously, the ting. The good old ting. Yeah. Just 1 second, really. Let's just run. Like, okay. Let's go to the ting. Let's go to the ting. Yeah. This is obviously good gameplay. Yep, I'm using this as the cringe challenge. The cringe. Just that cringe to another level. We're going to the satellite from Digimon. No, not Digimon, Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! From Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah. 4Ds. Let's go to the Willy thing. Willy. Okay, we're good. Okay. That was bad. Oh, donkey. No, donkey. I had no control. No grabbing control. Okay, we're going to go again. Okay. Yep, I'm definitely making that jump cut. Yes. That's how you know you're ready for the rings. Wow. He's number 13. Sure, you can do it. Yes, you can. Just play the game more. Who's the top ranked? Sonic with 1,000. Why am I not surprised? Sonic would be at the top. I mean, he's too leveled up. I gotta save up for Shadow. And do this. Yes. Oh, that's kind of stupid. Called collection.